If you want to see an easy way in which you can change your quick access toolbar from this to include more of your favorite options like this, well, in this video we'll show you how to do this. Now, there are a couple of ways in which you can make adjustments to your quick access toolbar. One way is by clicking on the File menu here and then going down to Options at the bottom of the page. And here you'll be presented with your project options and you can click Quick Access Toolbar. The other way, which is somewhat more faster, is by going up to your Quick Access Toolbar and then right clicking and then selecting Customize Quick Access Toolbar. And you'll be presented with the options like so. Now, here you can see that we have, which is no surprise, only 3 options: save, undo, redo. Now, what if we also wanted to include options that we commonly use? So for example, we want to add print, zoom all, zoom in and out, and perhaps a button to quickly switch to a Gantt chart view. Now, could we do that? Well, yes, we can. Now, the customized toolbar will default to popular commands, and we can look at some of these options in here, and you can see print entire project, so we can simply click add. You'll see that we have print preview but not print. So how do we get print? Well, we would normally find that under the File tab. So we click the drop down menu, click File tab, and there's print, and we can add that like so. Now, what about zoom in and zoom out? Well, they're usually contained on our View tab. So we'll click View tab and then scroll down and find zoom in and add, and zoom out, and add those 2 options as well. Now, what about Gantt chart? Well, that too is contained on the View tab, and we simply have to scroll up and find that. It's often in alphabetical order, so it should be easy to find. Gantt chart, and add that, and then simply click OK, and there you see all of our different options that we can use at our leisure. Before we finish, there is one more option that might be useful to you, and that is the location of the quick access toolbar. By clicking down this down menu, you can have the option to show the custom quick access toolbar below the ribbon, and you can do that by selecting that option, and there you have it. Otherwise, you can show above the ribbon and it restores it back to its original location. So a very, very quick and easy way without having to navigate through various ribbons in order to find the options and the functions that we commonly use. All the very best in your scheduling and project management. We hope you found this interesting. Please subscribe and please leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you.